Hello YouTube, today with new video I'm going to show you how to fix Volta error couldn't download Node version. I think you might have faced it before, especially if you are using PnPM or you are working with different clients with different Node versions. As you can see, I have my project opened here just for testing purposes with the package.json. As you can see at bottom, I have Volta with Node version 18.10.0, which is an old version, but I used it for this tutorial purpose. So what I'm going to do here, I'll just clear my terminal and want to show you for first how we can avoid receiving such an error. At first, we need to check which Node versions we have in Volta on our device. So we will just write Volta list O. As you can see, it showed me what are the Node versions of my device. As you can see, 25.80 is my default, but the current project have 18.10.0, which is here. So in this case, we have two scenarios. Whether we change the version to be here to write it manually, like literally 25.8.0, or we just call this version and pin it to be above or to replace this node version. So if I wrote Volta, then node at this version, but I added space, just remove it. As you can see, as I updated it with the another node version, it updated in the package.json. Okay, what if I don't want to update the package.json and I would like to run npm install without any errors? In this case, you will just check what you have as a default version in your Volta and then just install it in your project and it will work fine. So let's say I have this version as my default node version. Let's make it our default node version. Now I have it right here, but I don't want to change the version when I make the PR or something. So what I'm going to do, I'll just take this, paste it here, then write npm installer npm I normally to work fine. All packages are downloaded, and after I finish or update the code I want, I will just remove the package.json edits and just make the PR. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but this is how it works. Let me know if you have better solutions or you have any ideas, and for sure, if you like the video, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.